Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make text appear behind an object in CapCut. So this is actually fairly simple to do and I'm going to show you how to get this done. First things first, I just added this one right here and I'm going to go ahead and put some text in between them. So yep, to begin we're going to copy this here and we're going to put it on top, and then we're just going to go ahead and basically add some text, whatever kind of text we're going to add. I'm just going to put here love, just like so. I'm just going to make it as big as possible and put it somewhere in there. And then we're going to go ahead and right click these two objects here, or these two items, and then we're going to create a compound clip. After doing so, we're going to put the first video here at the top, and then we're going to hit the cutout, and then we're going to choose auto cutout, and there you go. So yep, that's very simple, right? Now I'm going to play this, and this is how it looks. So yep, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to get this done. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.